In this life, I realized I'll fall short sometimes, but it's okay. Keep going, keep trying. Don't let guilt hold you down. Rise above it all by His mercy, because He loves you. He loves you, He's merciful. That little slip up isn't greater than God's love. Always walk back to Father. Don't feel you are too irredeemable. The Father loves you so much He wouldn't abandon His child. He knows you'll fall into temptation sometimes. What's important is to rise up again. If you become a Christian like that, Satan can break you. He will eventually flee, because when he attacks you, you rise out of it and go seek Father. When he tempts you and you fall into it, you rise up and confess. Seek the Father. You are what we call a survivor. Too many attacks against